What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. So today we have a very important announcement to make, and it's sort of bittersweet. I'm very happy about it, and I also have some mixed feelings. So if I cry a little bit, you know why. It's so emotional to me. So it's Wednesday. What's up? And we have a big announcement for you today. So Eric said to me a little bit ago when I was bawling my head off, and he said some decisions are hard to make. And this was a hard decision. Here I go, right? I knew that was coming. Because it's very bittersweet for me. And one of the reasons I haven't told you guys about this yet is because I didn't want to announce it until I knew it was reality. Because sometimes some things can fall apart, so it just doesn't happen. So, I should be totally happy, and I am. It's just, change is always hard on us. And, I look around this kitchen and I say, I learned to cook here. This kitchen has been very good to me for the last 10 years. But we made a decision a while back to pursue something. And we drug our heels for a long time. And
the right person stepped in your life to push you.
Yeah, a person stepped in my life and pushed me because I thought it was going to be a year out or more. But someone stepped in my life and pushed me and
got it done.
Got it done. And it was difficult in this time because the market is moving so crazy and it's very difficult to get something done. I know you guys are like, just go ahead and say it, right? We've been saying we're going to do this for a while now, and we've done it. And last Wednesday, we closed escrow on another house. So that means we're going to be leaving this one. And it's bittersweet for me because this has been my kitchen for 10 years. I learned to cook in this kitchen. So, now that I've been blubbering for 5 minutes, I am excited about this change. We're moving to an amazing kitchen. We're moving to an amazing house. Our goal when we started out was we had sort of this list of everything we wanted. And one of the things we realized when you're moving to rural property is you have to make some sacrifices because unless you're willing to build, which we weren't wanting to take the time and the risk and all that to build, we were going to buy an existing property. And we looked. And we looked and we looked and we looked and we made offers. We made offers over the asking price, and the good one got away, right? But I think we found a place that has a lot of the things that we want, more than what we anticipated in some areas that we can make a change. Eric is getting his mountain views in a big way.
You're still within a day's drive of Williams-Sonoma Outlet.
Yeah, I'm still not that far from Williams-Sonoma Outlets. That's still on the table.
And Home Goods.
Home Goods and all my favorite stores, right? But I think this adventure is bittersweet because I'm leaving what I know, but also at the same time, we're handing this off to someone else who will enjoy it as much as we did. And we are going somewhere else to take everything that we're doing to another level. We're moving to a property on 2.5 acres, so it's the perfect size for us as two people. An amazing view and an amazing kitchen. The house is 15 years old, but the kitchen was redone since then because the guy who owned it was a contractor. So the kitchen, it is wood cabinets, which I prefer because I like more of a natural feel to a house. And it's got a lot of great things to it. It's about the same size, maybe 400 square feet bigger than this house. And so
there's things we got to change, but it'll be an adventure.
It's going to be an adventure. And I hope that you'll be with us along the way. So we have a lot of work ahead of us. Our plan is to be moved by basically the end of summer. So we're not like moving next week. We did close escrow on the house, so we're having some things done to it. This week, we're having a cleaner come in. The house is pretty clean, but we're going to have a cleaner come in and just do a full deep clean on it. I need to get a new dishwasher because I don't like the dishwasher in there.
Getting internet.
Our internet is going to be hooked up.
And that was a challenge.
That was a challenge. We're going to talk about all this. We're going to sit down and have a move logistics. But the biggest aspect of this move is moving the pan room. Yes, the new house has an office like the pan room. It has a huge basement. The basement is like 1,600 square feet. So that will be pan room 2. Because right now, pan room 2 downstairs is like pan room 2 and 3 because there's a bedroom down there. So now it's going to just be the pan cave.
They'll be all together.
Yeah, they'll be all together. So I have to set up my kitchen. I have to move the pantry. I've got to reset up my whole system. I've got to reorganize the pan room. There's some changes I'm going to make about what equipment I have where. And this is going to be an amazing journey. And I want you to join us through this entire thing. Because to be honest with you, I am upset about leaving this kitchen. Right? I am upset about that. But I can tell you, if one of the things, if you haven't learned anything from me, is this isn't the kitchen. The kitchen is the people that are in it. So we're moving to an amazing kitchen, and the people that were in this kitchen are going to be in the new one. And we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to have an amazing amount of fun. So stay tuned because we are going to be keeping all the cooking videos on Amy Learns to Cook, but I am going to be launching a homesteading channel where we're going to be doing everything but cooking on that channel. So it's going to be gardening, it's going to be home improvement, it's going to be vlogging, it's going to be all that fun stuff as we make this transition. I'm going to be keeping pan room videos as we move the pan room and we set it up on this channel, but everything other than cooking will be on the other channel. So stay tuned. I will let you know when we launch that. If you're in my Facebook group, you probably know about some of this because you've been along with me through the disappointments, through the challenges, and now through the closing. but I can tell you that I can officially announce that we are moving. So it's Wednesday, and let's take a very quick sneak peek at the new kitchen to give you a little taste of where Amy Learns to Cook is moving to. It's going to be a blast, and I hope you join me for along the way. So cheers to this kitchen. And join me in the new one.